How to recover permanently deleted files, photos, and videos from File Manager. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover files or photos or videos that you may have accidentally deleted from your File Manager. So in order to do that, you need to follow some steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's say you delete one of the videos. For now, I'm just going to tap on this and tap on delete. And you can see this move to recycle bin, which means it has not been permanently deleted. So here, if you have not permanently deleted it, you can just tap on this restore all and that particular file will be restored. But let's say you deleted that file from recycle bin as well and you are not able to restore it. So in order to restore it, there is no particular way if you permanently deleted it, but to make sure that you don't delete those files again permanently, what you can do is just tap on one of the files what you can do is just back the files that we have. So for that, you may just long press on it. After long press on it, you may just tap on the share icon and you may back it up by sending it to your friends or into different chats, or you may just save it up onto your drive. After saving it up to your drive, if you accidentally delete your files, you may just go to drive or go to the chats that you shared the files with and download it back onto your device. So therefore, by following this method, you can recover your permanently deleted files or photos or videos from your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.